Hi there, crafters. It's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we are using Here's a Card, and this is a sweet little thank you card we'll be making. Let's get started. Okay, so this is another Here's a Card, and we are going to be using this thanks right here. And this is very simple stamping. I have a piece of Whisper White, and this is cut at 5 1/4 by 3/4 of an inch. And then I have my thanks mounted on clear block G, and I'm going to come in with my bumblebee. And I just want it kind of off to the right. That's all the stamping we're doing. Start bringing this stuff in. And I'm going to use both of my daisy punches. On the daisy punch, I'm going to punch it out twice. And then I'm going to punch one medium daisy. Our card base is Bumblebee, and it is cut at 8 1/2 by 5 1/2, and I scored it at 4 1/4. All right, so I have the designer series paper from the In Colors, and that's cut at 4 by 5 1/4. All right, so just like that, then I'm going to adhere these two pieces together. And this is an inch by 5 1/4. And I'm going to butt it up. Just like that. And then we're going to put this not directly in the center, but towards the bottom center, if that makes sense to you. I'm going to come in with some Stampin' Dimensionals. So just like that, and then one more Stampin' Dimensional on the back. So just like that. And then I have my Gilded Gems. Excuse me. And I'm going to take the largest one and I'm going to put it here in the center. And then I'm going to take the smallest one and put it right here on the end. So there you have it, a quick and simple thank you card. Thanks for watching, and if you need any of these supplies, please click on my online store. It's in the YouTube description below. Bye!